Hello everybody, I'm just making a short video on the final stages of restoring a razor. This is just a cleanup, kind of polish and stuff, and I just sharing some images before and also for Josh, the Dremel that I'm using. I couldn't remember what it was when he asked, so there's a photo of it on the intro for you. This is a full bellied hollow ground Wade & Butcher razor. It was actually very good condition for its age. Excuse me. And I put sheep's horn scales on it. All one like wedge built in with it. And then I've been running out of the different collars, so this is the only ones I got left, so they're a bit bulky in my opinion, but maybe later on I'll switch them out. But it's at least getting this razor together and cleaned up. And first I started with polishing the blade and getting it kind of worked out, and then working on the scales. So I do a bit of mixture of the wheel and the rag. With the wheel, I try to stay away from the edge, and I'm using a really low speed for it. And then I move over to the rag, the felt rags with paste on it, polishing compound, and just doing the cleanup work and fine fit and finish, making it look nice. I didn't really take all the patina off of this one. Try to leave as much material as possible. Try to only take off what I have to. And so what was there was not a big deal. And so the geometry was good. This is a different view angles of how I do my X strokes or rolling strokes, and how I utilize the stone and try to focus on specific spots as I go. And I believe this is a rose descente, and this cuts fairly quickly. It's not as fast as the grosse blanche that I have, but here I'm showing how even, or trying to even and small, that bevel is. And I'm pretty sure this was not used, because there was like no hone wear on the spine pretty much. They probably just had it on the belt, the stropping belt or whatever. So I don't know that this was actually a used razor. Geometry was good, but I did find after doing this I had some corrosion on the bevel, and I end up later on having to go through and work those out. But I just wanted to show that it was cut, like the bevel set was no problem. It was punching through that styrofoam like nobody's business. And so I'm working up into a different descent. This is one of the new ones I got, and it cuts very fast on water compared to the other ones I have, and it polishes up a champ. So I just went through the progression of that, and then we'll be going on to the next stage of refining the edge, which is, I wish I would have evaluated the edge better before, but it is what it is. That's what happens. You get excited. You wanna get going on all the work you did and shave with it. So, because it was passing all the tests, but I just didn't take the time to examine the edge, because there was just a few spots that had that as a Martin Test Shaves says devil spit on the bevel. So, but other than that, this razor was in very good condition. But the handle or the scales were deteriorating. They just crumbled. I would have loved to keep the or reuse the insets that they have in there. I think they're lead insets, inlays, but I just don't have the tools to be able to take them out and put them back in. At least I don't have the confidence. I probably could use the tools I have, but. And this is the final shots of how it turned out and how it was pinned and centered. I appreciate you guys watching. You guys have a good one. Bye bye.